What's the difference between self-care and well-being? Have you ever asked yourself that? I know I haven't, and I didn't until a friend was sharing with her therapist the self-care that she was doing, like having labs drawn that her doctors had ordered, going to physical therapy, going to follow-up doctor's appointments. And the therapist stopped her in her tracks and she said, "That's not self-care, that's well-being." The therapist defined well-being as caring for your health, the things that you must do in order to stay in good health. She defined self-care as taking time for yourself in a fun way. Maybe going to have your nails done, not because you have to, but because you want to. Going for a spa day, going out to a restaurant, not for some kind of obligation, but for fun. Curling up with a book or having a cup of tea, just relaxing, taking time for yourself. So now the question is more than just what's the difference between self-care and well-being. I think the more important question is, are you doing both? Are you doing something for your well-being? Are you eating well? Are you getting enough sleep? Are you moving? You don't have to work out really hard, but are you moving? Are you walking? Are you going to the necessary doctor's appointments? And are you implementing self-care? Are you taking time for yourself to just have fun? So next week, what's one thing you're going to do for your well-being and one thing you're going to do for your self-care?